Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Dhruv. Today we are going to do the unboxing of a gaming monitor that I recently bought. This is the LG 27UD68P. It's a black version. I know it's a long name, but so the main features of this monitor is that it's a 4K 27-inch panel. It's an IPS panel, and it comes with FreeSync as well as a very low refresh time of around 4 to 5 milliseconds. It also has a very good input lag of less than 10 milliseconds, and it has been verified and tested by a lot of websites online. I'll probably leave a link to those reviews below. I got this from Amazon for a price of around 40,000 rupees. So without waiting anymore, let's get straight to the unboxing. This is looking like a very big box to unbox. So let's get right onto it. So finally managed to unbox it. It's a very large box actually. So there's nothing much on the box. Just let's list down a few of the features. It's an IPS 4K panel with AMD FreeSync, and yeah, that's all that really. There is nothing much apart from that. So let's quickly open this. So I really like this type of box because it actually has these flaps which open upwards. Most of the unboxing that I have done for monitor, the monitor actually have to pull out from one side, which is actually very difficult to do. So this seems to be really nice. Seems to be pretty well packed. So this is a very heavy stand. It's really heavy. Okay. So it's a VESA mount actually. So this is compatible with other VESA stands, which is a very nice thing to have. And this is the monitor itself. This again is a very heavy monitor. Nice. So let me put this to the side. So apart from the monitor and its main stand, we have the base of the monitor. So the stand actually plugs into this part. Again, a very heavy stand. Then we have some documentation. Okay, so what we have here is the main power cable. Okay, this is basically a cable management strap or whatever you may call it. Then we have a few screws that will allow us to mount the stand on the monitor into the VESA mount. This is a power brick. Okay, so the monitor doesn't have the power brick within it inside the monitor actually. Some monitors do. My current monitor doesn't have this, but it seems this has an external brick. This is an HDMI cable, and this is a DisplayPort cable. So that is a nice thing to have. Then this is the driver CD, probably won't need it. And then this is the basic the manual and a list of graphics cards which are compatible with this monitor, and So it lists the graphics card and what type of resolutions and the refresh rates that they are supporting, which is a nice thing to have. But since this monitor is supporting FreeSync, it is very important to ensure that your graphics card is compatible with the FreeSync in this monitor. So you can either go on AMD's site, which I also did, and found the exact model number for the monitor and verified that it actually supports the FreeSync. So the FreeSync range on this monitor is actually 45 Hertz to 60 Hertz. I know it's a narrow range, but it's more than enough. Anyways, it's a 4K panel. It's not like I'm going to pull in 120 frames per second with any graphics card that is there currently on the market. So this seems to be fine. So let me just kind of show you the monitor. Let's take it out of its packaging and let's see how the monitor looks like. So this is how the monitor is looking like. So you can see it has very thin bezels. I mean it's somewhere like just under a centimeter of bezel. Underneath you have a thicker bezel which has the LG logo. So on the sides they are basically silver metallic and the back is completely plastic. So let's just so in terms of the connections, this basically has your headphones out jack, then you have the power socket input, then you have one display port input and two HDMIs. I believe the HDMIs are HDMI 2.0, so you will be able to support 4K 60 Hz on either of the DisplayPort or the HDMI. Since this monitor comes bundled with both the cables, so if in case you have both the connectors on a graphics card, then it really doesn't matter. So it's a pretty simple stand, but what it does support is that you can you would be able to move the monitor up and down. You would be able to kind of tilt the monitor up and down. So let me just get this installed on the monitor. So this is a very nice looking stand, kind of a brushed metal look. So if you can see, this actually comes with two screws pre-installed, so you don't need any screwdriver to get them to work. You just need to be able to pull these out. This is really, that's all to assembling the monitor, guys. So as you can see, this can basically go up and down, and it can tilt. This doesn't have the swivel functionality, so if you want to swivel it, you'll have to swivel it with the base. So behind this, you actually got two notches, one here and same on the other side. And this is a little cable management strip that comes with it. So basically install your cables, route them through here, and then you can simply just clip this here and route the cables through here. It's a nice little touch. It helps with the cable management. So that's all, guys. I think that's a wrap for this video. Let me know your comments in the comment section below, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.